So good afternoon. We're going to teach a lesson on multiplication facts. A lot of stuff can be found on YouTube, and I just kind of combined it together a little bit in a small lesson. The multiplication facts are also now known as multiples. So multiples is a common word we come across on the GED test. Multiples are numbers that are created by. Basically what you do is you pick a number, and then you multiply that number by 1, 2, 3, so forth and so on. So dot, dot, dot. What I want to do today is make a quick lesson on a couple of math facts. So what I want to do is list the first 10 multiples for the following numbers. So I'm going to start with the number 9, and I want to make its multiples. So to make the multiples of 9, I pick the 9, so I go 9 times 1. It's also a good idea if you're not real good with your multiplication facts, is make little sticks up here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 little sticks. That can kind of keep you kind of on line. So 9 times 1 would be, of course, just 1 9 is 9. 2 9s, you have 9, and then 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So 9 times 2 is 18. 9 times 3, we add another 9, so 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. So I have 27. So 9 times 4, you have 27, you have 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. So fingers don't hurt. So 9 times 4 is 36. 9 times 5, we're at 36, so 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. 9 times 6, so 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54. So you kind of get the idea. So 9 times 7, if we add 9 more, would be 63. 9 times 8, we add 9 more to that, and that would be 72. 9 times 9, we add 9 more to that, and we get 81. And 9 times 10, of course, would be 90. Now, there's also a shortcut that is out there. So if you want to make a list of your multiplication facts, it's actually pretty easy to do your 9s. Now, this only works for the 9s. The strategy is, if you notice here, if I put a 0 here, since there's nothing in that spot in the tens place, what I can do is you kind of see a pattern here. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the shortcut for 9s, all you gotta really do as a shortcut is just write down 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then kind of back up. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And that creates your multiples of 9. So 9 times 1 is 9. 9 times 2 is 18. 9 times 3 is 27. 9 times 4 is 36. So you get those 9 facts right easily by just going 0 through 9 down, and then 0 through 9 back up. Similarly with 8s, to do the multiples of 8s, I got to do 8 times 1. Again, if I'm not real good at it, I just make the sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 sticks. So 8 times 1 is 8, and then 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So 8 times 3 is 24. 8 times 4, we have 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. So I kind of get the idea there. So 8 times 5, you're going to get 40. 8 times 6 is going to be 48. 8 times 7 is 56. So if you're 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64. 8 times 8 is 64. 8 times 9 is 72. And 8 times 10 is 80. Again, if we put a 0 here, the 8s kind of create a pattern similar to the 9s. It's not quite the same, but there are some patterns here. If you notice, it kind of goes down 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it kind of has that 4 twice, but it's very similar to what the 9s look like. So the shortcut, we kind of see the left side is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that creates part of it. If you look at the right-hand side, it kind of goes 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. So that kind of makes a pattern too of the twos. So 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. And it just repeats that pattern. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. By remembering those patterns, you have your 8s at your fingertips rather quickly. All you have to have is a piece of paper, a pencil, you can write those down. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, who do you appreciate? 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, who do you appreciate? It's kind of like a cheer. So let's look at now the 7s. The 7s again I can do stick marks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 stick marks. Again, 7 times 1 is 7. 7 times 2 would be 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 7 times 3, we're at 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So we have 28, we have 35, we have 42, we have 49. So for 49, 7 times 8, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56. So 7 times 8 is 56. 7 times 9 would be 63. And 7 times 10 would be 70. So that creates the multiples of 7. So you make them in a table. Again, if you make yourself some little sticks, you can get them counted out that way. There's also a neat little trick referred to as the Tic-Tac-Toe Strategy. So if you're old school, you may remember the Tic-Tac-Toe board. You may have played that. So we make a little Tic-Tac-Toe board. And the way this works is we start over here, and we start in the top right corner, and we count to 9. We start with 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we start in the top right hand corner, and we just count to 9. Now we go across this way. The way we go across this way is we start with 0. We go 0, 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 6. And that actually creates 9 of the facts. It doesn't give me the 7 times 10. 7 times 10 would of course be 70. But notice how 7 times 1 is 7. 7 times 2 is 14. 7 times 3 is 21. 7 times 4 is 28. So you kind of get that idea of those facts. So by creating a tic-tac-toe board, you can mirror your 7 facts as well. So those are some tricks that we've seen out there that can help you remember some multiples for 9, 8, and the 7. Sometimes those are the hardest. Okay? So hopefully you found that helpful.